and pagod na yung mukha niya. Look at the hair and the face. Nanay na nanay. And the stomach.
Nanay na naman ako eh. Wala na magkakagusto. Okay lang.
And the boobs. And this is the father.
Dado.
Hi, Daddy. Actually, buntis rin.
Yan ka.
Okay, wait lang nga. Malapit na.
10 drugs yun ginawa niya.
Maganda ka ba?
Yuck.
Sexy ka ba?
Anyway, see you guys. Thank you for watching our videos. Hoy! Thank you for watching our videos. And thank you for viewing. Yuck!
Sila.
Bye.